Welcome to all. Here English Dizzy Lessons presented by N. Sanjeevareddy SA English, ZPHS Ambaripet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal District. And here creative writing, we are going to learn to write a discourse, that is biography. Biography or biographical sketch. Generally, biography gives the information of a person in detail, almost all details. It gives personal information about a person like name, parents, date of birth and place of birth. It also provides the information related to his or her education, the school in which he or she studied, college and university. It also gives us the information about his or her profession or occupation. Details are included also here in this or any biography. Achievements of the person are added. That means about the person's career, achievements or important incidents of his career. It also provides information regarding the awards and honors received by the person. Then how to write? Let us see. Here are some easy, simple steps, elaborative examples, explanation to write the biographical sketch using the information given in the question. Let us continue. The information will be given in the question itself. So, go through the information carefully given in the question. As the content is given, we have to concentrate on the language. When we are asked to write the biographical sketch of a person, there will be the information. So need not to worry about the information. That means content. So we should concentrate on the language which we are going to present. Generally, the biographical sketch is presented in chronological order, that is timeline, from the person's birth to till date or till that person's death. And when we present the biographical sketch, we can write that in 4 or 5 paragraphs, or as per the information given, we can change those paragraphs. But those paragraphs should be suitable. We can divide them as per the context, as per the information given in the question. So remember that. Let us see one example. Here is one example how a biographical sketch can be written. We are going to see the biographical sketch of Sudha Chandran, a famous Indian dancer, and she can dance with one artificial leg and one is natural. Here is the paragraph, first paragraph. It gives the information about her occupation, her date of birth and place of birth, and about her school education also here. If you want to read this, you can pause the video and read it. Let us continue to the next paragraph. Here in this next paragraph, more details are given about her career, about her accident, and how did she get the artificial limb, and how did she practice later after getting the artificial leg. And in the next paragraph, about her films, another career, what types of films she acted in, and whether she has directed any films like that. This paragraph gives that information. And the last two paragraphs, those paragraphs tell us about her achievements, awards, all those things. So here this is the example of a biographical sketch, and here I got this information from different sources. There can be changes, maybe I got some wrong information, so you have to decide whether that information is right or wrong. Here I concentrated on only language, so that is, be careful. And here another example of a biographical sketch, that is Singireddy Narayana Reddy, a famous writer here in Telangana. And this first paragraph gives us the meaning about his occupation or profession, and also his nickname, and about his education, his parents, and the date of birth, place of birth. All these details were given in this paragraph. And in the second paragraph, about his higher education and his profession, how did he start his career, those things were discussed in the second paragraph. Let us see the next paragraph, about his writings, about his literary works, what books or poems he had written, those. And here about his awards and honors, different awards, Padma Shri, Vishwambara, Padma Bhushan, and also this legendary's death also was given in this paragraph. And we have seen two examples of biographical sketches. I hope these two will help you to understand how to write the biographical sketch. But here some more important and simple steps, how can we write, particularly to the people who are slow learners. Let us see. Here is some information given about the famous Indian businessman N.R. Narayana Murthy, and you know, this is a profile. This is a profile. In a profile we may write name, parents, date of birth, place of birth, education, spouse, career, awards, or any other relevant information about that person. Here he is a businessman, this word information was given. If that is a sports person, there could be other information also, extra information. If that person is a singer, about films, all those things will be included, right? So here from this profile we are going to write a biographical sketch, that is of N.R. Narayana Murthy. Let us continue. And here I have taken first two rows, name and parents, from the previous slide. Did you remember them? I think. Now let us see. Here I have written one sentence from this. N.R. Narayana Murthy is a famous businessman in India. And this sentence can be written in another way also. That is, N.R. Narayana Murthy is a famous Indian businessman. And next, about his parents. Ramarao and Padavatamma Murthy are his parents. This sentence can be written in other way also. That is, His parents are Ramarao and Padavatamma Murthy. Here, like this, I have presented different types of sentences from a single information that will make you feel easy to write the sentences from the given information. So which type of sentence you think easy, you can follow that. Here two more things I have taken: date of birth and place of birth. So from this information we can write some sentences, different types of sentences. Let us see. Murthy was born on 20th August 1946. This sentence can be written as he was born on 20th August 1946. Here I have replaced Murthy with he. That's all. Let us see the next sentence. Murthy was born in Mysore, Karnataka. That means his place of birth. I have taken that. And we can write this same sentence in a different way. That is, he was born in Mysore, Karnataka. Just I have replaced Murthy with he. They are very simple sentences. I think you all know that. Here another. He was born in the city of Mysore, Karnataka. I have written the same information but in a different structure. So whichever you think is easy, you can follow that. Let me take some more information that is about education. Here two things were given. Let me explain how can we write them in the sentences. Let us see the first sentence. He completed his graduation in National Institute of Engineering in 1967. This is one type of sentence from the first information. Let us try to write one more sentence, different sentence. Murthy graduated from National Institute of Engineering in 1967. Here you may have observed the difference in the structure of the sentence. Let us see one more sentence. Same information, but the structure is different. But the sentence is different. In the year 1967, he completed his graduation in National Institute of Engineering. Let us see another one. He completed his electrical engineering degree in National Institute of Engineering in 1967. These four sentences are differently written using the same information. So which type of sentence you think easy, you can try that and write the sentences whenever such type of questions are asked. Right? Let us see the next one. He received his master's degree from IIT Kanpur in 1969. Let us see one more. He got his master's degree from IIT Kanpur in 1969. These two are different sentences using the same information. Here I have taken spouse about his wife Sudha Murthy. Here are very simple sentences. Murthy married Sudha Murthy. The same information. His wife name is Sudha Murthy. And the same information. He got married to Sudha Murthy. Out of these three sentences, you can choose any one sentence. He got married to Sudha Murthy, who is a social worker and writer. I have taken two informations and I have written here. Latter, she is a social worker and writer. I have written it separately. This is for your understanding only. We need not to write all types of sentences for the same information. Just for your easy understanding, I am explaining all this. I think you are understanding well. Am I right? Let us continue. She is serving the society through Infosys Foundation. She is carrying out her social service through Infosys Foundation. Same information. Here the information was given social service through Infosys Foundation. From this I have written two types of sentences. So whichever you think you can write very easily, you can choose like that. And here about his career. Here four things were given. I have written the sentences like this. He founded Infosys company in 1981. In 1984, he founded Infosys company. Murthy was the CEO of Infosys from 1981 to 2002. Next, same information but different sentence. Murthy served as the CEO of Infosys from 1981 to 2002. Same information. From 1981 to 2002, Murthy was the CEO of Infosys. Here, next part is, he was the chairman of Infosys from 2013 to 2014. Let us try it in the different sentence. He served as the chairman of Infosys from 2013 to 2014. And last, he co-chaired the World Economic Forum in Davos in 2005. The same sentence in a different type of structure. In 2005, he co-chaired the World Economic Forum in Davos. Let us go to the next slide. And here, this is about his awards. I have written only 2 awards. Maybe he got some more other honors from different organizations. I have taken only 2. Let us continue. How can this put in the sentences? Let us try one. He received Padma Shri Award in 2000. He was given Padma Shri Award in 2000. The government of India honored him with Padma Shri in 2000. He was given Padma Shri Award in 2000. In 2000, he received Padma Shri Award. He received Padma Vibhushan in 2008. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008. Here is the entire biographical sketch of N.R. Nayanamurthy. Previously, we have written individual sentences and we have learnt very well. From those sentences, I have taken some sentences and put here, modifying some of those sentences as per the need here in this biographical sketch. Let us go through them. Here is the first paragraph. I have given the information about his parents, his date of birth, his place of birth. Let us go to the second one. Here I have given information about his education and later. Here in this paragraph, I have written about his wife Sudha Murthy. And in this fourth paragraph, I have written about his different achievements of his career, about Infosys company, as he has worked as CEO, like that. And later, I have written about the awards he received. So this is the biographical sketch of Nayanamurthy from the given information. As per the given information, I have written this. Think you have understood it very well. All the best. Happy writing. If you try to write biographies, you can write very easily. So practice makes a man perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.